Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started.
Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to use the patch tool in Photoshop. What patch tool is, it's basically if you want to remove some object, what you would do is just make a selection of that object using the rectangular marquee tool or lasso tool or quick selection tool. Like depending upon the type of object, you would make a selection, then go to edit, go to fill. There we have the option called as content aware, so click on OK and content aware would do the magic. But in some cases what happens is that content aware cannot do the work quite well. So in small, like when the particles are small, or if you want to do some finer adjustments, what you do is just go to spot healing brush or healing brush and then clear out that particular region. But what if none of these seems to work quite well and you just cannot make a selection, or you just cannot remove that object quite well? So in that case we are going to use the patch tool. It's not a perfect tool, but yeah, it can work quite well depending upon how you work with it. So suppose we are going to remove this boat from this image. So if you want to remove this boat, what you would do is just go to the lasso tool and just make a quick selection. So go to the lasso tool and make a selection somewhat like this. A random selection would do as well, so it would be somewhat like this. And now what you would do is just go to edit, go to fill. Here we have the option called as content aware. Click on OK, wait for some time, and you would use the content aware. Sometimes it would work, sometimes in this particular case, as you can see, it doesn't work quite well. So as you can see, there are some glitches in the image, there are some flaws that seem to be uneditable, and they just cannot be worked upon. So it is looking quite bad and it just doesn't go really well. So for that, what we are going to do is just press Ctrl+Z first of all, and we just use the patch tool. So where is the patch tool? Just long press on the spot healing brush tool, and here we have the option of patch tool. It looks somewhat like a CPU logo, I don't know. So just go to patch tool and you can just drag this portion out. So as you can see, I'm just dragging the portion out, and wherever the selection is going, it is sampling that part from the image. So if I sample this part from the image like this, as you can see, it sampled that region, and then using the content aware, it just matched the colors so that they look quite symmetrical and they just look in a continuation. So that's what patch tool does. Now if I press Ctrl+D to deselect, this is my patch tool and it has worked quite well. Again, it depends on the part that you are selecting, because in some places over here it is not matching that well. Over here as well it's not matching, but it's quite affordable. You can then do some after editing using the spot healing brush or maybe some other tools. But yeah, in this particular case this is working quite well and you can definitely rely on the patch tool. The thing is that patch tool works in almost all the cases where there is some kind of a symmetrical background. So suppose if I want to remove this part, I can just using the patch tool, I can just drag this part out, and there is this part is empty, so it can just fill up over here and then we are good to go. So it's totally dependent upon the image and the selection you make, but patch tool works quite well. So that's it for today guys. Hope you liked the video. Make sure you subscribe to 52 Pixels and tap on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.